The famous Scottish American naturalist John Muir once said, "In every walk in nature, one receives far more than he seeks." We experienced the same thing in this trip. This time, there was no destination or plan. We just wanted to be close to nature and take the trail our heart and soul wanted us on. And at the end of the day, we felt rewarded, we felt happy, we felt complete.
Hello people, welcome back to another episode of Unlock Outing from Bangalore. And unlike other episodes, we are this time going towards nowhere. We don't have a proper destination. Since this is monsoon, jungles around Bangalore are lush and green. So we decided to have a jungle hike and we reached this place. Look at the view. So if you are looking for an easy trail around Bangalore, then you must watch this video till the end.
The trail we took is in Chikkaballapur and close to Keethanahalli waterfall. I shall provide GPS location in the description below, which you can follow. The distance is around 70 kilometers from Bangalore and the road is quite good for most of the portion. So look out for this junction. From here you have to leave that tar road and go towards left to that off road. Let's see. The road is narrow but drivable. I think at this stretch you can even drive with any car.
Wow, the view is amazing.
Yep, it is. Shall we go further or park it here?
I think we can park here and walk down.
Yeah, or what?
You can just keep the car here and have a look.
Yeah, then let me do that. Let me do that.
Accordingly, we can decide.
So I went to scout that area, but it seems there is no road ahead. We need to park our vehicle here and then maybe cover the rest of the distance by walk. It's suddenly started drizzling, so we may need to wait here for some time. So guys, name of this place is Itappanahalli, and if you follow Google map you will be completely doomed. So what you have to do, if you are coming by four-wheeler, you have to park your vehicle there. You see this wide opening? You have to park your vehicle there and then you have to follow this trail. This is the trail which also leads to the junior Keethanahalli Falls, but it is a seasonal fall and only you can get some water after heavy rain. So right now we are not expecting to see anything over there, but we want to follow that trail. We want to go further inside the jungle. We'll do that. So we need to take this path.
This times I have not used any ear noise filter or noise cancellation techniques so that I can bring the real sounds of nature and wind to you. But let me know in the comment section whether you like this idea or I should go back to using noise filters.
This trail is so beautiful. We have reached a place like this. Not sure whether to go left or continue straight, and we don't have anybody to ask as well. So we'll use our gut feeling and continue straight. Wanna go straight? That way. The one going down. গভীরে যাও আরো গভীরে যাও. I'm loving the sound of nature here. Sound of bird, sound of breeze. It's awesome. I'll stop talking now. Perhaps you can enjoy it. Is it fun?
Yes, it is.
So the trail is awesome.
Yes.
At the same time, it's a little confusing as well.
But I guess it's fun to explore.
Exactly.
And the weather is awesome. So nice greenery.
There is no one. There is no one to ask where we are heading towards. So I would recommend that guys come during daytime. Don't try to come here during afternoon or during late hours, because as you could see, these are completely deserted places. In life, at times it is very, very important not to rush. Just stop and enjoy the moment. And that's what we are doing. Listen to the sound of nature. So fresh. You see that hill over there? Clouds and
The hills are quite green. There is very nice, what should I say, hide and seek of sunlight and cloud over the hills.
what an amazing place this is. If you are coming here and you need any kind of help or further information, you can check my social media accounts and drop me messages over there. I'm pretty active in replying the comments also. Is this the waterfall? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? As we went further, the forest became really dense. We are lost in the woods, we are lost in the woods. After some time, we wanted to come back but lost our way. But we remained calm and composed and was able to find our way back. Please remember, if you are lost in jungle, it is important that you remain calm, take a deep breath, and have a good look of the surrounding before making the next move. Don't run here and there and lose your energy, because that is not going to help. Wow. The trail up to this is very easy. You can very well do that. And the real jungle starts from there. We went inside the jungle for 1.5 kilometers. Again, like it is up to you how much you want to explore. But I would say come if you want to come here, come during the morning hours, because during afternoon and evening things may not be that safe. And once we also lost our trail and we had to struggle a little bit to come back here. So be careful on that. Otherwise, this place is awesome. So after pandemic, this is the kind of place I think you should explore, because there is no human interaction. For miles there is no one. Complete isolation, complete solitude. So you can come here, pack some food from your home, come here, spend couple of hours amidst nature, and then just go back. Don't leave any trash or your trail over here. Take everything back with you. So what do you think about this place?
Yeah, just after monsoon, so the hills around Bangalore are very green. So I'm really enjoying the greenery, serenity, and it was a very easy trail, so it's very much enjoyable.
Yes. During full monsoon, this may be a waterfall, or maybe at least some stream of water, because I could see path and mark of water over there, but right now there is nothing, only a very timid flow of water here. So look out for this tree. You can come here. Up to this point the hiking is very easy. I'll leave the GPS location of this place, as well as I'll also provide the GPS location of the parking area where you can park your vehicle and come. So guys, we enjoyed a lot over here, and now it's time to go back. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a like. Also put your comments in the section below. If you want to see offbeat locations, family trekking trails, the easy ones like this, keep following me, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Until we meet again, stay safe, stay happy.